and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted our StarLine Platinum package to this brand new 2019 Ford Fiesta ST. Customers were a bit paranoid about them obviously cloning this key, starting the vehicle up and driving it away, so we fitted this product here, which is what we call a Bluetooth tag recognition alarm. So how it basically works is when you lock the vehicle, you get one bleep, system comes on and sees this tag here and knows that it's armed. When you come back to the vehicle, if this tag is present, obviously disarm it, system would disarm, vehicle will start, no problem. Very, very straightforward. Now, say for example someone was to clone this key, come back and disarm it. If this tag's not present, the alarm will start to count down and then eventually activate the immobilisation circuit and trigger. So what I'll do now is I'll put the video on hold while I take the battery out and I'll simulate that. So I'll do that now. There you go, I've taken the battery out. So I'm going to disarm the system like so. Open the door, come into the vehicle and start it like normal. So I'm going to start it now. Vehicle starts, no problem at all. Vehicle's now running. There you go, it's looking for authorization, it can't see the tag. It's starting to count down, starting to starve it from fuel. There you go, vehicle's cut out. Can't start it. Go, there you go. Alarm's now triggering. Vehicle won't start. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the video on pause again, put the battery back in and disarm the system so you can see that quickly. So I'm going to put the battery back in now quickly. There you go, system is disarmed. Really, really clever, really straightforward. So now what I'll do, I'll go back and start it. There you go, fuel's back in. Very, very clever, very, very straightforward. Really, really easy to use. Also, when you arm the system, you've got a little blue LED, which we've really, really cleanly mounted up in the corner there. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Just to show you now, I'm going to arm it. See how nice it is. There you go. Really bright, flashing away. Just as a visual indication to alert thieves. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto. Company called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0208 906 0478. 0208 906 0478. Thank you. Bye bye.